Hey everyone, welcome back to Mistakes of Need. Today, I want to talk about something deeply personal and relatable for many students, the challenges I faced during my partial drop year with BMS. Trust me, it wasn't easy, but every obstacle taught me something valuable. So let's dive in. The first and the biggest challenge was balancing my college studies with NEET preparation. On one hand, I had to attend college lectures, complete assignments, and give exams. On the other hand, I need to dedicate serious time to NEET prep. Honestly, there were days when I felt like I was being pulled into different directions. Time management became a nightmare at first. I remember feeling overwhelmed, like I was falling behind in both. The key here was learning to prioritize. कि आपको प्रायोरिटाइज करना सीखना होगा कि क्या चीज़ें आपको कॉलेज में ही निपटानी है और क्या चीज़ें आपको घर पे आने के बाद कंप्लीट करनी है. असाइनमेंट्स की लास्ट डेट से पहले रात को जाग के उसे कंप्लीट करो, बट डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम बिफोर दैट. इफ़ यू कैन डिले योर थिंग्स इन योर कॉलेज देन प्लीज डू एंड फोकस ऑन नीट प्रेप. Another big problem was staying focused. Since I wasn't fully dedicated to NEET prep like a full dropper, it was easy to lose track of my goal. I would rather get distracted by college events or friends who weren't preparing for competitive exams. ये मेरे साथ स्टार्टिंग में हुआ, but it stopped जब मैंने ऐसे दोस्त बनाए जो कि NEET की प्रेप कर रहे थे. They were also preparing for NEET, so we used to set goals together. We used to bunk classes together just to complete one topic for NEET. We used to give targets to each other so that we don't get distracted during our college times. We used to skip all those college gatherings outside the college, जो भी parties होती है, we used to skip that. So being with good friend is very important. There were moments when self-doubt crept in. I would think, what if I don't crack NEET this time? Should I just focus on college instead? To overcome this, I had to constantly remind myself why I was taking this partial drop in the first place. Decision तो मेरा ही था partial drop लेने का. Keeping my goal in mind helped me stay on track even during the tough days. What you can do is you can take your sticky notes और उसे अपने पूरे रूम में चिपका दो about what your goal actually is. Try to keep it in front of your eyes so that whenever you get distracted now, you have to just look at to your sticky notes and you will come back to the reality. Let's talk about burnout. And this is the real thing. मेरे साथ बहुत होता था ये. So I want to specifically address this point. Juggling two demanding things, college and NEET prep, often left me physically and mentally exhausted. I remember some nights when I could not even open my books after coming back from college. It was very difficult knowing that I had to complete so many syllabus, but नहीं हो पाता था. To deal with this, I made sure to take short breaks and get enough sleep. I also started doing quick workouts or meditation to refresh my mind. Burnout is real and ignoring it only makes things worse. Everyone around me had an opinion. Why are you taking a partial drop? It's too risky. Some even said, if you could not crack NEET last year, what makes you think this year will be different? But I learned to block out the noise and focus on my journey. My advice to you: surround yourself with people who support you and believe in your dreams. Their positivity can make a huge difference. उन सब टॉक्सिक लोगों से दूर चले जाओ. अपने फ़ोन में से कॉन्टैक्ट्स डिलीट कर दो, सोशल मीडिया से डिसअपियर हो जाओ. You don't have to get involved into any WhatsApp chats of your family or whatever. Just isolate yourself. So, those were some of the biggest challenges I faced during my partial drop year. It wasn't easy, but overcoming these problems made me stronger and more determined. If you are in the same boat, remember it's okay to struggle. What matters is that you don't give up. I only made this video, guys, because मुझे पता है कि आप लोग भी इन सभी चीज़ों के साथ स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं अभी भी. सो आई वॉन्ट टू लेट यू नो दैट everybody is going through the same phase. Just keep yourself strong enough कि आप इस phase को भी पार कर लो. If you found this video helpful or relatable, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to comment below about the challenges you are facing or faced during your NEET journey. I would love to hear your stories and I'd love to help you in any way. Until next time, keep working hard, stay positive, and trust the process. This is Mystics of NEET signing off. Bye, guys.